Hey Etsy sellers, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add sections on your Etsy shop because we believe organizing your shop can make it more appealing and easier for customers to navigate. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, adding sections to your Etsy shop can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, sections will allow you to categorize and group your products. It'll make it easier for shoppers to navigate your shop and find what they are looking for. When customers can quickly locate items, it can lead to more sales and it's going to be a higher conversion, right? And if you have, let's say, specific sections for different types of products, it's easier to market and promote those products to a specific audience. You can run targeted promotions and marketing campaigns for each section, increasing your chances of success. So I am here at Etsy.com. So if you have an account, log in using your credentials. All right. And the fun part is if you have a different type of account and if you have a live shop already, you can see you can access the shop manager right here. But since I don't have a live shop or a store, so I can basically manage it. But do not worry because what we can do here is go to the Etsy Help Center, and here we can find some helpful tips on how to create and manage shop sections. So if you have the shop manager with you, all right, go to your shop manager, all right, and basically select listings right here. So when I do this, it's not gonna move forward, all right, because I don't have the shop manager. I don't have a live store account. But when you do that, select listings, and to add a new section, just select manage, right? And once you've done that, select add section right here. Okay, and then name your new section and choose save. Remember that you can have up to 20 custom sections as well as the default all items section that is in every shop, and a section name can be up to 24 characters. Selections that don't have any item listings won't appear on your public shop page, alright? So you don't have to worry on that. And also, take note that you can only add a listing to one section. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.